GXAI stock analysis. This is for tomorrow, Thursday and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Gaxos AI stock is a buy or not for me. So let's talk about it. Specific Wednesday's performance was like 1.6% up, although like I'm seeing a 2-hour decrease in price. So I'm very open to this bullish idea, although like a lot of people are just jumping on the trend just because it's hype. I'm just following the trend, right? And in order for me to get involved in this, I mean, just for context, I've done 32,000 videos. I've spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and specifically with GXAI, the way this is going to be approached by my side is going to be if the price pulls down inside my demand area and gives me that proper double break. Now, guess what? That's all looks cool and everything, but what happens if the rules are not met? So it's super simple answer to that. I'm just not going to take the trade. I'm just not going to participate in it. That's it. So only if the price gives me the rules, only then this is something that I'll long. Everything else is noise. And I'll definitely keep you updated. Now, if you want to learn to trade and make more money in a more simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.